Press WinX and select Terminal Admin. Once you see the PowerShell prompt in Terminal, run this command. As soon as you press Enter to run the script, you should see the graphical interface with all the options to remove AI from Windows. Now, you just check off the Windows AI features you want to remove. You're free to uncheck any options you want to keep. Before you apply any changes, enable backup mode. This is critical for ensuring you can revert if you change your mind later. Scroll down to the Install Classic Windows Apps section to choose which classic apps to install to replace the AI-infested versions. Do not close PowerShell or turn off your computer until the process is complete, or you could corrupt the Windows registry. Once the process finishes, restart your PC and verify the AI features you checked are no longer around. Change your mind? No problem. As long as you enabled the backup mode during the original changes, you're able to revert. Run the original script again to launch the UI. Check all the options you originally checked and turn on revert mode. Click Apply to revert.